It's Brian back with a Gala Games update. Alright, I'm looking at this chart here. The last video I did talked about a double bottom coming in here. Alright, I totally believe that that's what we could be heading for. You know, if we drop that, what is it? Well, might as well call it 3 cents. If we do drop the 3 cents, okay, then we can possibly be coming back down here. Quite honestly, in my opinion, I think that was the bear market low. I think there's a pile of buyers right here down at this zone waiting for this thing to get down here. We'll look at the RSIs and stuff in a second, but I got to show you guys this article. This is something else, and not the headline down at the bottom here. Crypto influencer named in FTX lawsuit served via a tweet. All right, this crypto YouTuber Tom Nash, apparently they couldn't serve him the legal papers any other way, so the judge gave them permission to send it to him in a tweet. It says here, per the authorization of the court presiding over the pending class action against you in the Southern District of Florida, you have been served. How about that? Never heard that before. But anyway, look down here. Yeah, here we go. The other 9 defendants comprised 7 YouTubers, including Graham Stephan, Brian Jung, and Ben Armstrong, known as BitBoy Crypto. I didn't know he got sued in this thing. The talent management company that handled the promotion, FTX Creators Agency, and its founder Erica Kohlberg are also named. It says Armstrong had missed a court appearance on April 20th to address his alleged harassment towards plaintiff's counsel. Instead of attending the court hearing, Armstrong posted pictures of himself on a beach in the Bahamas on Twitter and openly mocked the order. Look at this. I'm supposed to be in court today. I'm not. Why? Because I don't give. Yeah. Something else, you know. Everything will come out in the end. Everybody is innocent until proven guilty. That's sometimes it looks the other way around, you know, and sometimes I wonder if that really holds water anymore, you know. Most of the time it seems like people are guilty until proven innocent, but I don't have anything to comment on this, you know. I stay out of that stuff. I don't need the drama in my life, but thought it was kind of humorous. Anyway, let's move on here. The crypto bubbles for the hourly here. There goes Pepe back up. But there's costs. I love that coin. Everything's turning green here on the hourly. On the day, you can see you're getting a big pullback there on Pepe there now. But I mean, if you're trading that coin out there, please be careful. It's just a meme coin. It has no use at all. So just if you made money, it might be a good idea just to take it and be happy. But who knows? Maybe it'll go sky high, you know. I'm not one to be giving financial advice, so we'll see what happens with it. But let's get back here to this chart here. All right, guys, you can see here, I am hoping, because quite honestly, and please don't anybody else do this, I'm gonna take a long here on this position down here if Gala gets down here. Okay, you know, that would be a you know, if I get in there, you know, the risk to reward on this thing would you know, if I set my stop loss down just below that, you know, and get in here and run this thing, you know, right up to the end up there even, that's a 4 to 1, you know. So we'll see what happens here. Last time we got there, this thing bounced. You know, what did we get here? We got a bounce of 63%, actually almost 65, but you know, pretty decent bounce out of there. So we came up, we flipped that into support, and we've been going sideways here ever since. Like I said, I believe a bunch of buyers are down here. We put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where it's pulled back to. You know, we are right. Whoops. I got to extend my screen out a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get back here. Hate that sometimes the screen don't have it big enough. There we go. Let's get that screen bigger. Alright, we are just about at a 702. You know, if we get down there, that's between the 702 and 786, you know, that's where we bounced last time. And if we get down there, now the RSIs on the daily, the thing's looking like it might want to take off from here. Okay, the daily is oversold. The 12-hour is oversold. Let's look at the 8. The 8-hour is oversold. All right, so the higher time frames, but the weekly, that's the one I wanted to show you here. It is coming down, okay, and you can see that right there. The weekly is pulling back down, but that thing does not have to come to the bottom. All right, it is close to oversold now, and it could absolutely just take off from there. And in the grand scheme of things, we've talked about this before. I'm hoping that this right here is nothing but a one wave. Okay, and our 3, 4, and up we go. Who knows where this would. You gotta let price play out. Nobody has a clue where things could go, but that's what I'm hoping. We're starting here, and it would kind of make some sense. I mean, we haven't had any retrace yet out of this thing through this whole bear market. All right, let's get rid of these and see what even a 618 retrace would give us with a fib. All right, look at that. No retrace at all. Thing just dropped like a rock, Totally normal for the crypto bear market. Last market, most coins were down 90 to 98, 99%. Believe it or not, go back and look at the charts. It's crazy. But just get back to the 618 would be a 42-cent Gala. And if we got up to the 702, almost 52 cents, almost 43 cents to 618. Heck, even a 50% retracement would get us to 30 cents. We've done absolutely no retracement yet, okay? We have to get one eventually, all right? That's not financial advice, so please don't bet the farm on anything. Anything can happen in this world. That's a fact, but you can see it for yourself. We have had no retrace whatsoever. So eventually, we're going to get one, all right? Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It just seems to be kind of ranging here right now. If I pull it up here, I'll show you. I want this other Bitcoin chart. It is just ranging between this zone right now. This is on the weekly. In fact, let's pull up the RSIs on it. That weekly is coming down. Ethereum is another one that looks pretty solid right now. That thing is looking pretty good. The monthly RSI is heading up on Ethereum, and ETH is just looking really good right now. But the Bitcoin, the weekly is coming down. The daily RSI for Bitcoin is about in the middle, and it looks like it wants to roll over. We need Bitcoin to obviously do something here. The 12-hour is turning up. Okay, that's good to see. The 8. Yeah, the 8, it's green right now. It has a green candle, but so that's what we need a bounce out of this thing, right? This is the kind of the zone that's been in here. The upper band of the zone, the resistance up there, in this lower band down here, it's just been bouncing in here, going sideways pretty much. Okay, so it'd be nice to get a break out of this thing and get this thing moving here. But right now, the Gala, like I said, I'm watching for that double bottom. Oh, please hit the like and subscribe before I forget to ask. I've been forgetting to ask that, and I would very much appreciate that. It helps out a lot. But we'll see what happens. I think we all kind of would all like to take off from just right here, but obviously this is a very, very strong area, and we got a strong result out of this area before. Okay, I don't really see this thing breaking that. Let's go back through, especially with that weekly RSI just about reset. That's the one that gets me excited. Okay, that thing is just about down there. And then the regular RSI on the weekly, you can see down here at the bottom, it's only, it's at a 44 right now. Okay, so it could have a long ways up to go. The thing isn't, it's in the area where it could bounce right now. Okay, that's where it's at. So we'll see what happens, guys. Thank you so much. I will get back to you very soon. Have a great day.